and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Tonight, sort of a sneaky wide world of food episode. Tonight we're making Sonoran SmashBurgers. So what do you mean when you call something Sonoran? Well, that means that it is from the cuisine of the Mexican state of Sonora, which is just south of Arizona and is one of the 31 states of Mexico. Now, you'll find this cuisine a lot in Arizona also. And basically, Sonoran cuisine is a mixture of the indigenous people and Spanish. Now, two staples of Sonoran cuisine are seafood and beef. And really, the beef is more prevalent in Sonoran cuisine than the rest of Mexico. So, perfect. Sonoran SmashBurgers. So let's get these started. First thing we're going to do is make a lime, garlic, cilantro aioli. So to do that, I have 3/4 cup of mayo here, and you know we love the Kewpie. To that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of finely diced cilantro, somewhere between a teaspoon and a tablespoon of garlic, and as always, all the ingredients, their amounts, and instructions are down below in the description. The zest of 1 lime. And then about a tablespoon of fresh lime juice, which in my experience is about half a lime. Remember, push down and roll your lime back and forth. It gets the juices all dizzy in there and they come out easier. Really. We're going to get that all mixed up, then we're going to chuck it in the refrigerator and let it set. So you want to do this at least an hour or so before you cook your burgers. And there you go. It should look just like that. All right. See a little bit for the next step. Okay, so from the video you just saw, I was roasting some ears of corn out on my gas grill. So as I'm out cooking these SmashBurgers, the director is going to expertly dekernelize these cobs and then mix those in with our homemade pico de gallo, which is going on this burger. Absolutely fantastic stuff, and we did a video on it, and you can see it right here. All right, we'll see you for the next step. So we're out here at the griddle. I got it good and preheated. I'm going to toast the buns first. That's what I like to do normally when I'm making SmashBurgers because they go pretty quick, and I don't get distracted with other things, so we'll get that done. Alrighty, on to the SmashBurgers. First thing, we're going to get down some Wagyu beef tallow. We'll get that spread around with our spatula, and then on go the burgers. First of all, I'll press, so we'll get it lubed up. Start smashing. After the smash comes the seasoning, equal parts salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now we'll lube it up and do it again. And just about the time the second set is already smashed, the first set's ready to flip. Look at that. That is a beautiful crust. Then we hit them with the cheese. For these Sonoran burgers, we are using pepper jack. And I'll tell you what, they held together a lot better this time, and I think it's because the director made those balls of meat for us about an hour ago, and then we let it sit in the fridge. So there's a pro tip for you. Bowl up your meat, let it sit in the fridge for about an hour or two, and then bring it out to smash them. Okay, after we flip the first ones, or the second ones, the first set is ready to stack. Get our cheese down, and then we'll get the first 2 burgers off the griddle. All right, let's get these inside and build some burgers. All right, it's time to put these together. So, first of all, put the bun down. If you didn't, that'd be silly. Some of that delicious lime, cilantro, garlic aioli we made. And that's where, for me, I'm going to add my pickled jalapenos. I have diced pickled jalapenos here. Give it a little bit of fire. Okay, then our burger. Then on top of that, some of our pico de gallo homemade with that grilled corn that we made earlier. All right, let's give this bad boy a try and see how we did. Hey, before I do, if you like what you saw today, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, never miss an episode. What is your favorite smash burger? What's your favorite Sonoran dish? Where are you from? What is your dog's name? Put it down in the comments. We'd love to hear all of it. And all of it helps our channel greatly. All right, let's go in. The coolness of the aioli, the little bit of bite with the jalapeno peppers balances perfectly. And then the texture that pico de gallo with the roasted corn in it. Oh, it's just amazing. You definitely want to try this one. Don't cook the same stuff over and over again. Give something else a try. Hey, I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.